Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got my 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk 3.2 liter. AC has quit working. Very noticeable from the hiss from inside the vehicle. And I measured it earlier today, and the coolant is definitely low. One way you can tell if your AC is low, you can hear that hissing noise. I started hearing that over the winter time, so that's how I knew. I just got it set up because this uses the new coolant, the R1234YF. Get the special connections and double check right there. So I'm gonna start it up. These are all closed, and I'm gonna start it up and see what kind of pressures we have. Definitely on the low side. I'll have to buy some to top it up. I went to Princess Auto, picked up this AC1234YF kit with the reusable trigger. I put a gauge on, like I said earlier, and we were reading under 20, so we're definitely on the low end. So we're gonna top it up and fill it up. I'm just shaking her up. Says reusable trigger, so I should be able to thread it on. Hopefully it doesn't leak out. Yeah, we're good. I'm gonna pull this off. This is the low side of the AC port, and I'm just going to hook that on right now. It says we're in the blue, but we'll see what it's like when we start it. HVAC is so slow. Maximum AC. Interesting. It says I'm in the green or blue. Oh, it's going down. She's going down now. Gonna give her a shot. So I'm just starting to show in the blue now. The AC is definitely starting to feel cool now. Didn't really use too much, which is good. I still got a leak somewhere. Very small leak. So there you have it, the Ultra Cool Complete AC Recharge Kit. This is the 1234YF. Double check which vehicle you got. This kit worked extremely well, extremely quick. My coolant was just a little bit low between the green and the blue. Like I said, just like around 20, a little less than 25. And I'm in the blue now, and AC is freezing cold now.